control you. The pain of knowing that your emotional lack of control is the only thing that is stopping you. The pain of being real with yourself. And if you can sit with this pain for long enough, something magical happens. You unlock a superpower. You gain access to something that the majority of people don't have. Emotional discipline. So close yet so far. 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 So close yet so far.
Pockets getting tight, it's the end of the month, and you finally see a setup and you wanna get in front. You know how you get it when you see a trade you want. You know how you get it when you see a trade you want. I gotta be it. The charge calling out your name, and you see the play you need to make, and you think, man, and I'm be sick if I miss it. The feel missing, now they got you acting different. Cause you just wanna go all in, and you know it probably gon' end up in a loss, man. It's hard to just be patient, but you know you gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, 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 you gotta wait for confirmation.
Let's get in this. 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 I can be your number one. We know it's overdone, but I could give you something that could give you hope. No, no, you want a smart girl with her own job. She can talk shop. Says he's gonna start a revolution. I don't doubt it, but sometimes I think his vision's a little delusion. No, he sees life through different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her. But you better buckle up, cause he's going in. Wants to see the universe, wants to see it first. On a private plane, doesn't wanna ride commercial. He's so unique and he's so right, but he's so not right for me, and I don't wanna be that guy. Says he's gonna start a revolution, and I don't doubt it, but sometimes I think his vision's an illusion. He sees life through a different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her. But you better buckle up, cause he's going in. He said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true.
Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time.
Yeah, we call it the wick and flip. Might see a move come your way, then dip. Oh, wick and flip. A move come your way, then dip. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. So we bank on the move. Bank on the move. Bank on the move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick.
So we bank on the move. Bank, 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 bank,
I see it so clear. All my dreams right in front of me. Yeah, I see it so clear. I know what it takes, but I feel so far, so close. yet so far. I see it so clear. It's right there, but it feels so far. So close, yet so far. See, it starts with a spark. I mean, the real reason why you start trading in the first place, right? That little glimmer of hope, that vision you get of the life you want to live, that desire, the one you think about all the time, but it feels so far away. And the problem with this desire is that it creates anxiety, impatience, frustration, and ultimately pain. So close yet so far. 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 So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. Now, in my experience, there's only one way to get what you wanna, get to the life you wanna live, and it's through pain. The pain of self-reflection, of truly understanding yourself. The pain of knowing that your only enemy is you. The pain of knowing that your emotions control you. The pain of knowing that your emotional lack of control is the only thing that is stopping you. The pain of being real with yourself. And if you can sit with this pain for long enough, something magical happens. You unlock a superpower. You gain access to something that the majority of people don't have. Emotional discipline. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far.
Let's get in this. 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 I can be your number one. We know it's overdone, but I could give you something that could give you hope. No, no, you want a smart girl with her own job. She can talk shop. Says he's gonna.
For educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO, and Javi Maestro. It is March 31st, last day of the month. We're trading the last hour of the market this Tuesday. Javi, how you doing in warm, sunny South Florida?
Amazing. Doing good. Loving the weather. No cold, you know.
Yep.
Can't complain.
I was just in Turks and Caicos. It was very warm the entire time. So I'm back. I'm here. I'm chilling.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, we're in a weird spot right now. It's between 48 and 62. 62 is a 5-minute level. 48 is just a little takeover that just broke over. Quantum Gang knows what it is. Failed bearish move here. If anybody took that retest, you're already up 10 points. You know I did. Boom. Just like that, we took 15 points down. Oh, there it goes. There it goes, guys. There it goes. There's 15 points again. 15 points down, 15 points up. This is how we play the top. There you go, guys. 30 points. If you're in the Discord, YouTube, you might have not, you obviously didn't because the intro, but we took a little 15-point short. Now 15-point pop up. There's 30 points for everybody. 15 for the Discord on both sides. Just like that. Oh, dude. Looks like you had some fun over there at Turk and Caicos.
You're a little muffled. What was that? What was that?
You had some fun at Turk and Caicos, so I think I might need to adjust the mic a little bit.
Yeah, it was chill. Yeah. that jet car that you guys see, it was cool for about 30 minutes. The wheel wasn't working very well. And between us, I think I fucking broke it.
No
And we had to
way.
get towed. We had to get towed.
Shoot.
Yeah.
You had to get towed. Were you like manhandling the steering wheel?
Yeah.
You were just like,
Yeah.
yeah. You're too powerful for
I'm
it.
just stating that for entertainment purposes only. There's no evidence to support that I broke that wheel, and I'm not paying for that car.
Damn right.
Also, I'm going to be
Yeah,
trading my
Rory.
pro. I'm bored, so I'm going to be trading a TPT Pro for this account, this show. Okay.
You know what though? It already probably had a lot of wear and tear.
It did. No, I did.
Yeah. All right, back to 48. So 62 is still failing to break. Underneath 62.
I'm on replay mode.
I'm looking if this breaks 38 again. The 1 minute closes under 38. Maybe I'll go for 20 again.
I did not
But
trade
this
up.
5 minute. Yeah.
You know what?
Okay, let's not use Google Translate. What would you all do?
Let's do this. I'm going to attach my account to this.
All right. Back down we go. 62 rejected again. It bounced right off that bottom blue right here at 37. 37 and a quarter. That's what it needs to break on the 1 to potentially hit that 20.
Now you guys can see when I enter. If you're a student of mine, don't worry. I will not be showing my ATM settings. I'm going to do everything manually.
Nice. All right, here we go back to 62. It's 5 minute is a brand new 5 minute candle. It looks like it wants to break it. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. Now you need to see this whole 5 minute candle. It still has a whole 4 minutes left. But we want to see it start to hold above the 50s, then a closure above 62 on the 5. Then we have a shot up to the 80s.
Do I feel my vacation was long enough? Yes and no. I spent enough time there, but I didn't spend enough time away from the charts and trading and working. So I would have liked another day to just chill out here.
Dom's going crazy up here. 68. This thing is breaking right through 62 so far. This is the top area. This 72. This last purple candle on the 5 minute. If that gives out
working Friday, and I did end up working yesterday. I didn't really follow. I feel like if I'm not working, I'm gonna end up
down
having
we
to
go.
if I don't work.
This is trying to hold on to the 62 now. Still have 3 whole minutes.
Oh, energy drinks taste so good. Javi, what areas are you looking at that you like the most so far?
62 to hold on the 5. Then I want to see a 72 break.
I'm not talking about trading. Florida.
Oh, Wellington, Boca. We already got like a list of houses. Wellington's freaking nice as hell, dude. Holy crap. we drove through there yesterday, and I was like, this is like the nicest neighborhood I've ever. If we end up in Wellington, I'm like, this is the nicest neighborhood I've ever been in, ever. Like, it was beautiful, dude. I was like, shit.
Wellington is really nice. Have you looked at Boca yet?
Not yet. No, I think tomorrow. Well, tomorrow. So before we go to do our thing, I think at 9 o'clock we're gonna meet the lady somewhere. And I don't know if we're going to Boca tomorrow or not. We might go Thursday to Boca, or I don't know. My wife has the list.
Gotcha. Boca is very nice.
Yeah.
And then the other one was where the shooting range is.
Well, you
Children.
live in Wellington, Max? Shit. We were down there. We were down there. Well, we were down there because we had to go to the real estate people, who's handling the rental thing, and my wife mixed up the dates. So we were like, she was supposed to call us. She never called us. We went to go down there, and I didn't know you lived down there. But we ended up driving by the beach, and there's ginormous houses. Like you go straight, you turn right, and then you drive down the coast, and there's these just amazing looking houses. Like right off the way, there's one that looked like a fucking palace. Like ridiculous.
I've looked into
looking.
the houses. The average one is like 50 mil.
Yeah, I was telling my wife, it's like I'm just gonna sit down in one of those houses and start trading, and they're gonna be like, "What are you doing?" I'm be like, "I'm gonna make enough money to buy your house."
I've looked
And
up
just
those
record
houses
it.
on Ocean Drive. The average house is like 50 million. I've looked at them because I
Yeah, dude,
want to buy one of them one day.
they were like, they were straight out of a movie. No, more those houses that we saw towards the end. Towards the end, there was 3 of them that were just like, I've never seen houses like that before. Then we saw the Dolphins house. What was the Dolphins name? Gerald. We saw Gerald's house. Gerald has a house right off the bay, right off the beach. Had like these dolphins shooting water, and a big ass chandelier you could see like straight through. That's Gerald's house. Probably had that guy build that house for him. That person really loves dolphins. Okay, there was a house that had lions, and a house that had an elephant, and then there was a house that had dolphins. Freaking Gerald. No.
I don't know what your ATM settings are, Big Papa, but mine work better in wealth charts than they do on TradeAway.
I could never become a fan of another team. Like I'll watch them, and like my son wants to go to the game, I'll go. But I'm a football fan. I love watching football, but I'm not going to be like, go Dolphins. No. Especially if they play the Redskins. You need to get a house right by Disney World? Hell yeah, I do. I absolutely do. This 5-minute refuses to close above 62. I feel like this is gonna come down instead if it cannot close above 62.
I'm taking off my entries, guys. When you guys know this, I'm taking off my entries.
But I'm holding off yet.
I've just been notified. Oops, ignore that. I just got to.
Sorry. No sauce. No sauce.
I've been notified. I need to take this off, so I'm doing so. It's an entertainment company. Doesn't matter. You guys can cry about it.
That's right. Boom, boom.
NFA. Everything I do here is not financial advice anyway. So if you guys want to understand my entries, to tell you, yeah.
All right, here's another push. Ooh, this one's getting a little bit aggressive. It just refuses to close above 62. I feel like this is going to be the area where it might try to hold. But the 5 does look funky to me. So it's like I think it wants I would love to see it touch sauce box again at 73, maybe 81. But the refusal of it to close above 62, there's definitely a lot of pushback the closer it gets to that 70 area. But it's not moving back enough. It's not moving back enough where I'm fully sold on the short. I still feel like this thing wants to give a push. It's just in a funky spot right now. Yeah, it's refusing. It's pushing down now. That was a bounce at 50. The 50s seem to be a potential stronghold area. Yeah, so now we got a lot of bearish candles up here at 50, 60, 70. So I'm thinking this thing might want to try to come down if it can break under 50. The 5-minute looks ugly to me though. This one's hard to tell really what it wants to do at this point. All right, is this going to be the one that tries to close above 62 here on the 5 or nah? What do you want to do here? Come on in, Q. Look at this. It's just messing with it. Look at that. 62, and then it's pulling back below it. It's got 50 seconds left. Now I kind of have a 1-minute range. So below 52.50, we have room 237. Above 66, but 70, that 72 on the 5-minute would be the next area to be cautious of. I have a lot more room down than up, but nope. Nope, doesn't want to close. Tempted to test a short here. Have a stop loss at 70. That's 13 points. Ugh. Not yet. I'm going to wait for this candle closure. Even if this candle closes, it's still funky. All right, there's a candle closure again. What time is it? 3 o'clock. Here's a 3 o'clock. Kind of a little bit of volume coming in, so I'm going to watch it for a little bit. I'd love for it to break below 52. Here's a push back to 62 again. It's a brand new 5-minute candle, so I'm going to be patient. Here's a push up to 70 finally. All right. This is the push I was thinking I wanted to do, but at 72 is the next area. This 5-minute still can't close above 62. I'm not sold on it.
You know, you can just click on. I mean, obviously, I know he's joking that Logan isn't showing. I'll show my entries. It's just then you're gonna be the one to stop sharing it. I have no. I'll show my entries.
We're going to break 70 actually. We're breaking 72, but this 5-minute needs to close above it. That's the thing. I have to wait for this. I'm not fully sold until this 5-minute can close above. That's the top of the sauce box right there too. We're at the current day high. 81 would be the next area. Hard rejection right at 81. What did it hit? It hit 79 and a quarter. 5-minute candle has 3 minutes left, man. This is ugh. I hate these. I hate when it's like in these funky areas. There's it back at 62. And it's going to refuse to close above it. It's going to pull back pretty hard, or is it going to actually pull up? It bounced off 62. And that long from that 48 break has been nice, but this is where I feel like we got to be very careful around here. Yeah, what the hell, Aniki? What did Aniki do? What did Aniki do? Come on, come on. Do something already. This 5 minutes looking really strong. I don't look at VIX. Yeah, there's a bunch of levels here. This is where you have to be careful. I have a few levels here. We're in sauce box. 81's the next area. Breaks through 81, and then on top of that 92. Obviously psychological level 23.9. I don't have anything until 23.920. Past 72. But this 5 minute needs to stay up here. It needs to close above, continue to push. It's just kind of hesitating up here.
How was vacation? Short.
Dude, yeah, you were only there for like what, 4 days, 3 days?
2.
2? It's nothing, yeah.
I flew Friday, then I had Saturday, Sunday, flew back Monday. So
Oh, you can't really enjoy that.
job's not finished.
Yeah,
Until I
that's true,
have
bro.
$20 million in my bank account, job's not finished.
Here's
Yes,
the pullback
still
to
need to
62. I
pivot under in my course. Do not correlate.
kind of want to test the 62 with a 5-point stop loss. Just tight, because if this breaks below it, I'm not going to be sold on it. Let's see. That's a little too strong of a break, but I'm in it. I got 61 entry right now, but I'm going to keep my stop at 53. I'm going to keep it tight because this is a level break on the 5, but let's see if we get a push up here. There goes. Come on. Keep pulling. No. This is the area. It's a funky area. I'm not a big fan of this. I'm in very light on this just because I don't like it. If it takes me out, it takes me out. I don't care. That's a 5 point. It'll be a 5 point, 6 point. 59. Almost taking me out right here. This is looking like it wants to finally give that push down. All right. Still alive. Looking for 70, 50 first if it wants to give it to me. If not, I'll be out of this. And I'm out. I'm out right there. Am I going to get strat 6 now? Or no? All right. I'm out of that. 7-point stop loss on that. This breaks this 52 down here. I'm going to go short. This was that rejection off 81. This is a funky spot. This is a funky spot. So that 72 couldn't break, but the level did break, but it broke right below the breaking candle. So now I'm going to sit and wait. I wonder if I'm going to get strat 6 here or not. There you see this 1 minute candle break under 52.
Here we go.
Florida's renaming their international airport.
Buying at the top after
What?
sweeping liquidity.
Oh my gosh, here we go again with that bullshit.
Oh, I need to go back on vacation.
Oh, I literally took a short before, took a long. I tested this 7-point stop loss. Oh, I'm waiting for 52 to break and I might get in again. I'm a scalper, brother. I bet you there's so many times this guy's like, I'm gonna take a short at liquidity and gets burned because it burns right through liquidity. You know how many times I've seen that bullshit? You know how many times I've seen that bullshit? So don't talk your shit like you know everything because you don't. None of us do. Right? We predict the market to the best that we can. You're not 100% winner because of liquidity. Oh, my liquidity. My liquidity. Okay. Freaking special needs ICT punk. Only ICT people I respect, Izzy, Coach, Lama. The rest of you can suck it. Liquidity. But you like grabbed that liquidity early in the day when it shot up 200 points and you were like, oh my God, there's no liquidity. Oh, let me get toasted. I am in the short, by the way, on the break of 52. If anybody heard me, oh my gosh. Oh, guess what? Oh, guess what? I'm up 15 points. I took a 15-point stop. I took a 7-point stop loss. Oh my God. I just got 15 points. I just took back what I lost and then some. Right? Easy. Easy, easy, easy. You know, I hit that because it hit liquidity. I don't play the ICT stuff, the terms of those. I play reaction. I can play the short, I can play the long. I don't come in with biases. I don't care where your liquidity is at. I don't care how many vibrators you need to get your liquidity to where it needs to be. I'm going to play the reaction. Okay. My hand's going to hurt when I'm done trading. There's my wife. Yeah, there's my wife. Mm-hmm. Oh man, I love it. I love it. It retested at 50. It didn't hit 52. It broke at 48, pushed up to 50. It wanted to stay below 52. And back up we go. Oh, guess what? Guess what? All right, he's gonna be like, "Oh, you bought at the bottom because it's low liquidity, or you sold at the bottom because it's low liquidity. Liquidity's everywhere." Watch this thing shoot up now. Past your damn liquidity. Would not be surprised. Look at that. Caught that nice little short. Now we're back up. Oh, guess it looks like it's gonna sweep your liquidity. All right. Is it gonna go through your liquidity here? Because you don't buy at the top for the liquidity? I like saying liquidity right now. I don't know why. Absorb option. The absorb option. There it goes.
How long?
I'm gonna wait for that pullback. I want to see it retest 70, 62 potentially, and then push further up. I want to see that pull up. I know it wants to pull up, break it over 81. I want to see it rip up. I got a lot of room past that.
I'll look for at least the 900 area.
Yep. I got 920 as an area.
Well, let me screenshot my entry.
This bounced right at that blue candle again, at 38. At that 1 minute, where it bounced before right here. It absorbed my blue ball right here. Right, that's one blue ball. I got a couple more blue balls here. It absorbed it right up. Right
I
up.
don't know what liquidity means, but let's see if buying in this area is a bad idea. I'm in the long.
I already took one little quick scalp on that pull up, and I would love to see it pull back a little more to retest. But if it doesn't, I got 2 micros floating on this. With not the best entry, 75. I would like to see it kind of retest a little further. I want to see this hold above this 72 though. This is that scary area again that we're at. This is that area where I got Saucebox up here. I got that 72. We got the 81. Need to see it just really bulldoze through all of that. And if we pull back, I want to see it hold above the 60s. And that's kind of what I'm looking at. Will they trade now? Well, we're Logan's in a trade right now. I'm in with 2 micros at a long right now, but I would like to see it pull back a little bit to test this 60 area, which is doing it right now. I would love to see it really hold above 60. So I added 1 micro on that pullback. Now my entry's at 73.50. Breaks under 60, I'm out of this. My charts on Ninja have disconnected. How? Haven't done anything. Weird. Window share. Okay, there we go. My Mac is just being a Mac. Oh, I couldn't. All right. That 81 is where it's struggling to break through. This 5-minute can close up here above 72. We should see a potential ripper.
I'm getting trade exhaustion.
Yep, it's taking forever, man. This is just slow movements. Slow movements. Dom's starting to go crazy. I'm gonna take one off here at 73.50. That's that one that I added. I want to see if this thing can continue to go.
I think we're good.
Past the liquidity. I want it to go past the liquidity because the liquidity is the liquidity. There we go. Oh,
There's
there we
10
go,
points.
brother. There we go. Right through the liquidity.
And 15 points. I wanted
There you go.
900.
There you
Moving
go.
all contracts profit. I'm trimming here.
I'm up almost
Moving
30
all
points.
contracts profit. I'm in with
Yep.
3 minis on this pro account. I'm gonna move all contracts into profit.
Oh gosh, man, my hand's feeling so sore, guys. We had to do a lot of fast movement, to get that liquidity, to get it, really liquid.
There we go.
My hand's pretty damn sore, man. Oh man.
There we go. Keep going. Keep going.
Mm.
Yellow candle.
I'm
on
right-handed, in
pin.
case y'all didn't realize that.
Stop losses. I'm trailing. Both. I'm doing a double auto trail on this. There's the
Everything
900
is
that
a
I
good
wanted.
thing.
Beautiful.
There you go. 920.
Right.
I'm looking at 920.
We're up
I got
about
one runner
almost
running.
30 points now.
There's liquidity everywhere. People are saying liquidity is a real thing. Support, resistance, liquidity is just an area of support or an area of resistance.
All right, trimmed 1 mini there. I've got 1 left, and I'm out of the trade. All right, that is $830 for me.
It's just reworded to liquidity.
Just under
Liquidity.
30-point trade. Take it.
I got trailed out on that pullback. Yep, that was clean, bro. That was right through the liquidity, man. We double teamed it. You took over when I got tired.
We pop back above this blue dotted line. I'm going to enter again. So if we hold above the 900 level, I'll enter again, maybe.
Oh man. Oh man. It's gonna
Where's my
retest that
position?
72.
I told you when I entered. What the? I thought we went past this. I don't know what we're talking about. Yeah, I told we when we entered there was no pullback. There's about a 8-point pullback and a 28-point TP. Trimmed
Yep.
profit trailed.
Yeah, here's the retest of that 72 area. You want to see it hold and bounce back up if it's gonna continue.
I passed before
If
we
it
both.
breaks back down,
Shit.
65.
Good job, Tundo.
Where is it? 65, 68 would be the next area if it breaks below.
Was that a market structure trade? Yes, it was, Laura. Yes, it was. You're a student of mine, right? Is that one of our market structure trades? Yes, Laura. Yep. Yellow candle, print through the market structure area, heavily tested area. Yes.
There's the
Basically
72
all levels
retest.
aligned. All levels aligned on multiple time frames. Yellow candle, 1 minute candle ripped through it. I entered. Yeah, good job.
Oh, Dom's getting spicy. Dom's getting spicy. It is fighting back and forth right now. There's a tug of war happening. Dom's going nuts in the 70 area. Oh, that was a fast 10 points. They're 12. Oh, yeah, baby. I double tapped that liquidity, guys. I got a little bit rest of my hand. I was able to, regain some speed right there. Oh, 15 points. Okay, I'm going to let a runner, the same runner I had originally, go back in. Right? Round 2, round 3, round 4, whatever. Round 5, whatever you guys want to call it right there. There's a retest of 72 on the dot. 50-point shot up. Hey, boo-boo. To liquidity and beyond, boo-boo. Give me all that liquidity. Yes. Can we get a new push up? Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Almost 20 points on the retest of 72. On the retest of 72. Look at that. Look at this. 72.50. 20 points on the retest. All right. I'm happy with that. Good shit, J Love. Good shit. There you go, Tunda. Very nice. I think we're going to get a strong push to that 920 area. Just don't know if it'll happen for 330 volume or MOC, but not potential advice, JJ's. I took the retest at 72 for a quick 15. I got trailed out at 15. And then now I'm just going to wait for the next reactionary area. We're going to have a potential level forming if this does pull down. But it looks like it doesn't want to yet.
What kind of boat was that boat car? I had the option between a Corvette, a Lamborghini, and a Rolls Royce.
Oh,
The
anybody
Rolls-Royce
still in that
needed
long?
people, so I just got the Lambo.
You're up 23, 25 points, 30 points. If anybody held it from the 72 retap, zero pullback. Right through the liquidity again. Right through the liquidities. That's what like turtle soup or something, right? Turtle soup is liquidity because of the word soup. Soup is liquid.
Yeah, it was really
Am I
nice
getting
over
it
there.
right?
Very, very small island. It's like where we were, it was like 1 mile in width, 15 miles in length. The water looked like blue Gatorade.
Ooh, that's
Right.
beautiful sounding there.
And it was warm. It was a little too cold for the girls to go snorkeling or scuba diving, so we ended up just chilling on the beach most of the time.
Turtle soup is a fake move at the open. Yeah, I don't know what any of that shit means.
No, I stayed at the Ritz-Carlton, and then I stayed in a big Airbnb.
Liquidity is a banking term. Liquid, yes, your liquid assets. not in the market. What was that one guy that tried to show Wolf Einstein liquidity, and he's like, "What?" I'm like, "Liquidity?" Like you could tell on his face, he's like, "Okay, well, yeah, use whatever terms you want to use." Because when I saw his was like, "This is what we call liquidity," he's like, "Okay." It's like liquid, using it in terms of what you own and what you have, yes, but in trading, it's BS. It's support resistance. That's it. You have support zones, resistance zones. You guys call it liquidity. It's cool. I just find it funny that oh, you bought at the liquidity zone. It shorted, yes, but I still thought it was gonna push up, and it pushed up right through your liquidity zone, right? Market does what market does. We're gonna see 920 potentially. We're really close to it. All right, I'm gonna stop hating on ICT just because I do love Izzy. As a friend, I'm married. So sorry, Izzy. I love Coach, right, and Logan. Those two, open for potential. Yeah, Coach got the buns. That's why.
Logan losing money today. Not quite. I'm pretty sure I just stated that I showed my entry, I showed my TPs, I showed my $835. Whatever you
The
say.
dogs are so confused.
Trades.
Oh, we all hate getting liquidated. We all hate getting liquidated.
Yeah, he was
Logan's losing liquidity.
Hey, Isaiah Trades, watch this. You're in timeout for 24 hours, and then when you come back, you're going to be in timeout even longer, and you're going to be hidden from the channel. How about that, 10 head? And then 10 head, you know what? Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to do the same on Discord. 10 head, guess what? You have been. I'm going to go to open mod view. Kick. Oh, I could kick you, actually. No, I'll just time you out for 1 week. Timed out for 1 week. I'll see you in a week, 10 head.
Peace out. Yo,
later.
why does Lama look like he's in the clan? That hoodie top is a little too pointy for me.
Okay, there you go. You would be a dope cop. All of my Marine Corps buddies and everybody that I was in the military with are cops now. I probably wouldn't be a good cop, to be honest with you.
I would be a horrible cop. I'd be pulling over everybody, giving everyone tickets for being idiots.
Oh, Marine, that makes
All right.
200% sense. Whatever assumptions you have about me, they're true.
Still bearish move for continuation here. It breaks back over 100 or no?
Today, but then
We
I
just
went
take
on
the signal.
this morning, one of my pros, and only have $80 to drawdown left. So you were green, and then you kept trading, and then you fucked them up.
Yeah.
Well,
And
that's called
it left
greed.
without me.
And in your defense,
Oh,
I was on Thursday
There you go.
night. I was $250 trade away from securing another $55,000 on Apex for payout number 2. And I was on day 9. So I already passed day 8. I could have withdrawn $54,000, but I wanted to be greedy and get the max payout again. And I took a loss, and then I took
72 bouncing. Oh man, it bounced.
until I popped them. So I threw away $54,000 in payouts that I could have taken because I wanted to get a maximum payout of $55,000. Yep.
My internet went out for a second, and I totally missed that drop on that signal right there. Kind of mad.
So I did secure the first 55,000, but then the next 54,000 that I could have withdrawn disappeared because I decided to get greedy and go on tilt. Oh yeah, no, that video was real on my social media page. I thought it was funny, but it was also real.
My wife
Yeah,
doesn't
I
know
don't
this. I went
screw it.
I went tilt on that push up. Not I wouldn't say full tilt. I was kind of being DJing on that 25K. I had 1100 in it and I blew it
Yeah.
right before I went to go shower. So wife, Amor, now you know that count's gone.
I've probably thrown away in my year of trading. I've thrown away at least
I'm gonna pay for that
$200,000
later.
that were like guaranteed payout, and I wanted more. Probably at least 200,000. But I've made much, much more. So you take that how you want to take that. Was it drone footage in the car I was in? Yes.
Oh, I use code BDM and I use code P2P on TPT because it rhymes. No, I share a little bit. I give Llama some love on the PT on the TPTs. So I use P2P for TPT and then everything else is code BDM.
Feel like it's a rite of passage, but I could be coping too. Well, here's the thing that's going to be funny. A-Trades is I've withdrawn over, I've shown it. I've posted the pictures. I showed the bank account statements. I've shown it all. I've withdrawn over $500,000 in my year and a half of trading. But what people are going to say is I'm not a legitimate trader, or I go on tilt, or this, blah, 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 is what a lot of people are going to say. Like, because I blew that payout, people are automatically going to talk shit. And I don't really give a fuck because
Yeah,
you're not paying my
you
bills.
still yeah. Dude, that's what's
I
funny. It's like you still took
still
money out of that damn
still
account.
made $100,000 plus last month in trading. So
Yeah.
just because I missed out on 55,000, whatever. It's not like I can't do it again.
I know
Never
it's
hear
funny how hard they come at you with when you have one bad day or one bad stint. Like I took a payout for almost every day for the past 2 weeks, and today will be the first day I don't get a payout,
Whatever.
and I'm
Yeah,
okay.
who cares?
Exactly. I'm like, okay. If I don't get one this week, I'm still good. I'm not gonna race to it.
How do you
You
blow a
move on.
payout? Greed. I locked in
Yeah.
$54,000 and I wanted more and I popped it because I got greedy.
Greed or board trading? I do a lot of board trading. Or when I try to, you know what my crutch is when I'm overthinking, I try to get my head out of it and I just start trading, like clicking buttons. I don't even wait for setups. Like I'm just
Yeah.
in thought.
Well, that was
And
my problem. Is I was like, it was Thursday night. I had a flight early Friday morning, and I was like, Globex open. I'm just gonna click buy, sell, get into a trade real quick, cash out, knock out the 55,000. No problem. Trade failed. Like, well, fuck. All right, well, let me try one more time. Failed. Fuck. Double down. Fucking double, fucking gone. Just like that. It was funny. Alyssa came upstairs. She saw it, and she was like, "Logan, stop!" She knew it was too late. She tried to stop me. She tried to save me in my accounts, and she was like, she looked and she realized it was too late.
he's a keeper, brother. My wife does the exact same thing. She knows, she could tell by my face when I'm going tilted. She's like, "What are you doing? Stop, stop." And I'm kind of like, I'm like, yeah, I should listen to her, but then I'm like, full port. I'm like, full port. Count's gone. Oh well.
What was my drawdown? So here's the thing: is each of the accounts were up about $8,000. So you're looking at $160,000 in profits thrown away. Just because 3 accounts didn't have 8,000, they were at like 7,500. I wanted all my accounts to have all
There goes the
maximum
internet
payout.
again.
This is what it is.
Yeah. So were you early on the trade? Like, no, I mean, if he's anything like me, like majority of the time it's just impatience, not waiting for the setup to happen, and then you
Oh,
get
I
in
think it's going to
early. Or
get to my setup, and I think it's going to prepare.
yeah, yeah, things like that for me too. Where I'm like, well, it looks like he wants to do this, and you just are pressing, and then you look away.
The problem is that like I shouldn't have been trading in the first place. I was in a rush. I was like, I need to go to sleep, and I was literally like, I wasn't even like at my computer. I was literally like, all right, let me just do a quick fucking buy and sell, and then I can go to bed. And I was like, nope. All right. And then you're sitting down, and then you're like rushing it, and then you're like fucking rushing it and getting into a trade that doesn't make sense. Like I literally was
Sizing
trying to
up
trade
more than you should.
And that's when
Yep.
it was like, I should have never, if I'm not sitting down, focusing on the setups, doing everything I'm supposed to do, why the fuck are you trading? And as a result, that's what happened.
Yeah, like everyone's like, you gotta wait for the liquidity sweep. I know. Like there's instances like, and I know like we're all guilty of doing this because I've done this too, where it's like it's about to break, and I try to get in really early, and then it flips up when I'm like, yeah, I should have waited for candle closure. Like I teach, like it's funny when you teach everything and then you mess up on what you teach, and I'm just like, if I just listened to exactly what I'm supposed to do normally, but this always happens when I'm bored. Like I know the setups, like I know the break and retest, but then I'm like, let me just get in now, and then yeah, I'll catch the move early, and then I'll call it a day, just like you say. And then I'm like, well, the candle didn't close, I should flip it, and I'm like, nah, I'm just gonna hold on to it because if it should break because it's all the way at the bottom, and then it flips the opposite way. I'm like, I knew that was gonna happen, and I just didn't bother to play along with the setup. I just teach myself a hard lesson in a sense, I guess. So we're just bouncing around right now. So we are in between a couple levels. On the 2 minute, 91.50, below 65, 60, above 920. So we're kind of in the center of both. So if 91.50 holds, then we see a break of 75. We could see the 60 potentially. Feel like we might close inside the sauce box.
I was on such a hot streak for so long. I was waiting. The tilt was coming. It was going to happen eventually. It just happened to happen right before vacation, which was terrible timing.
Yeah, we all have different things that kind of trigger us, I guess. Like for me, again, right? I'm house shopping, moving. I'm thinking about the timeline of everything again. I'm like, dang, we were already in April. Then we got May and June. Literally have 2 months, and this move has to happen. So I'm already stressing myself out about it. I'm already overthinking it. I'm already just going through my little mood of stress, I guess. That's the best way to put it. Because that's exactly what happened the last time when we took that L on Power Hour. Was I was moving, remember? But this one doesn't feel as rushed, but it feels like it's getting there. Our lease is up in July, and we want to be
You
here
just need to know, brother.
before.
Yeah, you just know how this works, right? And I'm telling you this, and you already know this. It's easier said than done, right? But
Yep.
because you're on a timeline, try your best not to force or rush extra income or profits or anything because of your, you know what I mean? I know it's easier said than done, but that's one of the big things you got to try and focus on.
Oh yeah, yeah. Way too young to be thinking about grandkids. Yeah, I mean, our son, he's already 12. Damn, I love you guys heard her. Our son's already 12. It could happen anytime now. You think about it. Yes, that's what I'm doing, Striker. I'm renting for a whole year. And then we're gonna take our time to look for the forever home, Which would be wild to even think that we're towards that. Dang, Sam, your son turns 18 in 17 days? Oh, that's right, J-Love. I forgot you have that Airbnb in Deep Creek. I completely forgot about it. Well, I mean, we're definitely gonna be back up in Maryland. I mean, my family lives there, so I'm gonna visit. Obviously, I'm gonna be going to watch some Redskins games during the football season. We can watch Tiger flip his car for the third time. Hey, you know what? I might be involved in that flip, and that might be my third car accident. Only gotten in two, right? Have to match that up with Tiger. Be like, hey, Tiger, want to get into that third car accident? It'll be both of us together. You're still holding that long orb trading? Very nice. Very nice. We're racing to that 920. It's almost there. It's really close. I feel like it wants to get up there. MOC is in 12 minutes. We're breaking a bunch of we've been doing nothing but breaking the bearish candles, so this thing is still looking like it wants to push. So I start seeing the blues break. The uptrend is hella strong. Past 920, 938, then 949. Got a bunch of levels up here. Next sauce box is all the way up at 24,007. Now, Megal, I drive way safer than I used to. Not, after that second car accident, that really, I'm on. Come on, you remember how I used to drive? I still call people idiots. Like, I'm still an angry driver in terms of like, what a dumbass. That guy's an idiot. So many last second turners here. Like, holy crap, that's one thing, right? Every state has their thing. Like, Virginia is assholes in the fast lane. They drive under the speed limit in the fast lane. Maryland, just a bunch of dumbasses everywhere. They do everything wrong. Here, I've noticed that everyone last second turns. Like, oh, like you're 3 lanes up, your exit's coming up, or you got these lanes where you have the one lane that turns, the second goes straight, and then you see this person all the way to the right go, and cut everyone else off or force themselves in. I'm just like, that happens a lot here. I've only been here for a few days. In Florida, they believe there is a tax on turn signal usage. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I noticed that too. Like, half the people don't know where they're going here. Like, they're at the stoplight and then they forget, oh yeah, I gotta turn left. And then they just force themselves left in front of everybody. But I think there's a lot of tourists here too. So I would say half of these are probably rentals, people that really don't know where they're going. The ones that send me over the edge are garbage drivers, the worst I experienced. The garbage truck drivers? I feel like they just rush to do their job, so like they don't give a fuck about everyone else, or like, just get out of my way, I'll block the road, I don't care, because I gotta take this damn trash that you guys leave here for me, kind of thing. Oh, yeah, that's how I feel. Yeah, exactly. Like, they're working. They're like, hey, nobody's gonna be happy taking out the trash. Oh, there's 920. Oh, I missed it by $1. Missed it by $1. Got to 19. Well, on NQ chart, it actually hit it. On MNQ, it missed it by $1. There's a 920, right? Look at, oh man, this is clean. The orb is right at the top of a level, and the bottom is at the bottom of sauce box. Mm-mm-mm. 5 minute is trying to cross up. It's just a funky, ugly looking one. There's going to be a level that's going to be created. If this thing can hold above 910, 915, and then I would want to see if it flips. Because the 5 minute action lines are looking ugly as hell. Yeah, there you go, Gravy. Yeah, I forgot about that from Family Guy. Literally seen that here. No, you know what? Vegas wasn't so bad. Israel trading, it wasn't so bad. I didn't feel like I would. When I lived in St. George, we went down to Vegas every couple weeks, like twice a month at least. We would go down to Vegas when we lived in St. George, Utah. It was like an hour, 40-minute drive. It wasn't so bad. You guys have like, I mean, obviously if you're in the Strip and like, just like in New York, right? When you're outside of Manhattan, it's not so bad. But when you're in Manhattan, it's fucking chaos. Chaos. So like when you're in the strip or that, center part of Vegas, yeah, it gets chaotic, but it's not, I still don't feel like it's crazy. I still don't feel like nothing compares to the two places that I've experienced the worst traffic. Definitely LA during rush hour, like the morning commute, but definitely going from Maryland to Virginia. Like going that freaking bridge from Maryland to Virginia is the worst thing possible that you will ever experience. LA traffic is just bad, so yeah. Yeah. 401 in Toronto. Never been to Toronto. All right, dang, that was a clean rejection off 920. All the way back down. We got 7 minutes for MOC. We're going to be, well, if this level holds here, if this 93 holds here, we might be stuck between this 93 and this 907. If this 903 holds. Getting a bit of a bounce there. And there's this level that's going to lock in right here at 906.75, 907 area. Looks like 903 is trying to break already. Still has 2 seconds. Nope, held. Currently held. But it is breaking through it right now and bouncing. Okay. So just going to be patient just because this is going to be in a very tight spot. MOC is going to be in an insanely tight spot if we stay in between here for the next 5 or so minutes. Look at that push right into 907. Boom, look at that. All right. Or is this just going to break through 907? Yep, just ripping right through 907. And if it flips the level, if it flips it, then it'd be between 907 and 920. But it doesn't look like it wants to do it just yet. Back down, yep. Back below 907. Ooh, it's going to close above it by a little bit. Oh, last second pulled back. Oh, there's that level on the 5. There's that level on the 5 right here. 906.75. 906.75. So there's the flip. What time we got? 45. Still 4 minutes. The money you invest to get the home, maintain the home, cover repairs and manage the upkeep, cleaning, etc. is not worth the profit margins. Was gonna buy a few a while back, and after doing a bunch of national research, I think there's just much better places you can put your money. Are you talking about just renting instead of buying? Like the prices here aren't so bad, but even you don't think it's like a wise decision to actually buy? Like I see that's an argument I've seen a lot of. I've seen a lot of that. Like there seems to be more reason to rent now than buy. He's talking Airbnbs. Okay. The upkeep in Florida is expensive. Oh, there's that push. There's that push. There's the 920 break. Did anybody try to take that bounce off 93? Damn, this thing is just ripping. Yo, my thing's all sorts of messed up. My internet comes and goes. There we go. You're up 25 points, Israel. Nice.
38.75, and I'll enter.
Caught it at 900. 48. That 38's the next 2-minute level. MOC is in 2.5 minutes. It's already kind of past its level. I mean, you're gonna retest. You're gonna be between 38 and 908. I have way more room up than down. But again, that doesn't tell me much. This thing looks like it just wants to rip. 38 will be the next area. Then after 38, I just have these. I got a 1 minute and a 2 minute. Basically, I have a sandwich of 1 and 2 minute levels up from 49.75 268. If it rips through this 38.
Getting ready to enter here. We pop through to like to 40. I'll get in. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Cut a little bit of that pullback here.
Not yet. Not yet. All
Oh
right, man.
yeah, there it goes. So far, this up push, I mean, it's been uptrending strong as hell. I haven't seen a single blue break this entire power hour, so the uptrend's been holding strong. There have been level rejections here and there. This 38 looks like it's trying to hold above it. We got about a minute left for MOC. So the next area would be between 49 and 68 on the 1 minute.
I'm gonna try and
Up
shoot for
here.
like 60. We do have MOC though, so I
Yeah.
should trim tight, trail tight, but I'm gonna go for it.
I feel like this thing is gonna. Man, I hate going by feel because I've gotten burned on feel before. But I feel like this thing is gonna shoot right through all this and race right up to that 24,000.
Let's see.
But it's gonna retest some. That's the thing. It's gonna retest something. So if it pulls back, it could pull back all the way to 900. But we're 40 points up. So this 49 is currently the next the 49. So below 49, we should see some pullback. Above 49, 268. But this is like hovering right between.
Oh, there
That,
we go.
there's that,
There
yeah,
we
there's
go.
that.
There we go.
Yeah.
Ripping, ripping, ripping. There he goes. TP
Very
hit.
nice.
Holy
There's 68.
shit.
Above 68, this is
Rip
taking
through.
off.
All contracts in profit. All contracts in profit, and I'm done. I'm out. I just secured $3,500
Very nice.
on my pro account for the power hour. Good night. Goodbye. See you all later. I'm done.
Very nice, bro. Rejecting right off 68 for now.
Bang.
We want
Bang.
to see if it. Here's the pullback.
Just like
Fuck
that.
yeah, bro.
Oh. Easy money.
There's that pullback from 68, and I did catch this rejection off 68. 4 micros. Caught a little bit of the pop. I had 1 micro running on that pop up, and I caught a little bit of that 68 rejection.
When did you call it the entry? I said it fucking multiple times.
He freaking said it multiple times.
All right. Did I say enter?
He said it multiple times.
Pretty sure I said enter. My PHP also signaled the entry. We crossed the line. I said entry. No, you're good, man. You're good. You're good.
Yeah, you're good.
Here it is. What it is.
It's there's
and then
just
I also
some people
said
that
I'm looking for the 60 area, ripped through 60 all the way up to my market structure area where we bounced right off of. Wow. Logan's going to delete that because that is some sauce. Perfect.
Anybody catch that 68 rejection with me? Up 30 points. Oh shit, still going.
Beautiful.
40 points. I'm up 40 points. I got 1 runner. 68 was that last area. Holy shit. Holy shit, 50 points.
Nice.
Oh my God. What a clean rejection off 68, dude. You caught that pump. I caught the drop. Holy shit. Oh my God. This thing is still pushing. I'm up almost $100 on 1 micro. 110. Oh my gosh, dude. That is a 60-point drop. Shit. There we go. Fuck yeah. There we go. Let's fucking go. 120 on 1 micro on that rejection. I'm out. I'm out right there on that pull up. Right down to the 900 level. Right down to it.
Beautiful work, Ponzi Trader. Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Is your consistency on the Alpha Advanced funded accounts funded? No. Funded, there is none. What a snipe.
Holy shit, Wizard. $8,000 on the pro? Let's fucking go, bro. You get a 6K payout, man, minus the 20%. That's still almost 5,000, bro. Wizard, man, you've been killing it lately, dude. Keep at it, brother. Keep at it, man. That's a fat payout, man. That's a fat payout, man.
Good. There you go, Mooney. You rode along with me in the
There you
short
go,
with
Mooney.
Hobby. Good stuff.
There you go. Let's freaking go, man.
Boston Nando.
4K in payouts today and
Yeah,
8 tomorrow.
we can't open up PDFs or links or anything in here. It's just going to be
Let's go,
assumed
Wizard.
scams or anything bad, and we're going to delete it naturally.
Damn, C Lobos, you caught that you caught the drop in options. How were you able to do that so fast? How can you do that so fast, man? Like, I feel like there's a cheat code with options that I'm not familiar with because, like, I do it on Robinhood, or I did it on Robinhood, and
Why do you have that?
it's always like it takes forever.
Oh, so speaking of our sponsor being FFF, you guys want to see something really cool? I was just looking at this the other day. You guys want to see my stats on one of my accounts? This is an account I strictly only trade PHP with and Asia, like I fuck around on. Look at the stats on this account, Hobby.
That's it.
Pull it up here, and then I'll pull it up on the VOD too. Let's put that there. Look at the stats, and you guys can see this on YouTube also. So this is my account that I've been trading, fucking around with on just like PHP. I know people are going to bitch about a lot of trades. Remember contract sizes, guys. Right? I'm up $20,000 in profits, and I've withdrawn from this account like 3 or 4 times now. Just $4,000 every 3 days. Every 3 days, I just took a withdrawal from it. Non-stop, over and over again. This account I've just been cruising, just dominating.
Hell yeah.
And so just wanted to share this because our sponsor for the day is FFF. And just with one of their accounts that every 3 days, I just withdrew all $4,000 from them on this account. So
FFF is my favorite YOLO account just because their resets are like $60. So if I YOLO, it's with FFF.
Yeah.
Resets. Yep. $60 reset, sure thing.
what plan is
On
that? That is
the
the Prime.
Premier.
That is with the Prime plan.
Let's go. Our job gonna request his first payout with FFF this week. Very nice, bro. Very nice job, Lovey.
What is this? Marines, Gym Rats, Boomers, Internationals, Torta Hunters.
Torta Hunters.
I don't get it. I don't understand what I'm looking at right now.
Way to go for you. First ever payout tonight. First ever. Congratulations, bro.
Why Prime over Velocity? Prime is you hit a threshold, and every 3 days you get a payout. So I banged it out in the first 2 weeks, and then I just withdraw with the consistency as long as one of my days wasn't too high, and then every 3 days, 4,000.
That short's approaching 100 points. Short is approaching 100 points. That is insane.
Yeah, Boston Nando. I don't know what I'm looking at. Interesting. I don't really know how to respond to that. Looking at Trading League, the goal of the league is to learn prop firms through sportsmanship. Cool. Afghan, E61.
A trading
Are you
league?
fucking
How would that
Because
even work?
had I unbanned you, or I untimed you out. So just stop fucking being retarded.
Yeah, 10 head.
I'm done
Stop being a
trading.
class clown. Yep, me too.
I called out 2 trades, beautifully presented. Javi did his thing. Did really well. First day back. And I crushed it. Easy money.
Oh,
What
yeah.
is the name of the firm you're talking about? Funded Futures Family. Yeah. I take money from them every 3 days. They pay me anywhere between 8. They pay me about $8,000 a week right now. That's just on one account. That doesn't include the others and everything else. They're scattered. But I'm done trading. I'm calling it. Javi, what about you?
Same. I'm done. I gotta go look for some shit in a little bit too. So faster we can get done, the better.
Cool. Let's give away some shit. Pick a bunch of random people on YouTube and then give me a number for.
All right, YouTube liquidity. Give me liquidity. Do it quick. I mean, I still have the 4 o'clock setup I'm waiting for. I want to see if it plays out again. All right. All right. Let's go.
Tell you one thing, I slept great when I was on vacation. I haven't slept that good in a long time.
Nice.
Number for Discord?
Oh, shoot. I don't even have the random number generator up. I was picking the random 2. Okay, so for the 2 on YouTube, Erica Simkus and Angel USS 360. You 2 are the winners for indicator for a week. Go open that support ticket. All right, random number generator. How many foods we got in here? 469. All right, Dom is going insane. First number will be 413. 413.
416?
413.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
All right, below 99 or above 32. God, that's huge.
I'm starving.
That's a huge space for potential setup.
I lost count. Fuck. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, or 10, 1, 2, 3. Davey, 35.
Holy shit. What's up, fellas?
What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm good, man. How about y'all?
Good. How's your trade going?
Trade's been going good, man. Going excellent since the event, actually. Mindset shifted,
Way to go.
basics. So, been doing awesome.
Good shit, bro. Good shit. Well,
Oh, yeah.
see, you're at Home Depot. What are you getting at Home Depot right now?
Oh, nah, I'm actually working. So I'm loss prevention. So I'm actually watching somebody right now. Looking like he about to steal some shit.
Oh shit.
So
What's he look like?
hold on, let me show you right now. Hold on.
Let's see the perpetrator.
Hold on. Can I do it? I probably can't do it. Well, fuck it. This dude right here. You see him with the black hat?
What's his ethnicity?
He's a white. He's a white.
He's white.
Shocking.
I love it. I love the opposite. Yeah, I love the yeah.
He's
the,
innocent.
yeah,
He's good.
just-
I'm sure he's
yeah.
innocent.
No,
Yeah,
he's guilty
yeah.
as hell. Just tackle him already. Just go. You know the what's other thing in South Park, right? He's heading right for us. But like, I already saw you thinking about stealing it. Just tackle his ass.
Pretty much.
Go rest his
That's how
ass.
it is.
Hey man,
It is.
we're gonna give you access to any indicator free for an entire week. All right, man.
Oh yeah, I appreciate it, man. Hey, shout out to you boys, man. Y'all doing y'all thing. Y'all been doing y'all thing. Y'all continue to do y'all thing, and we all appreciate y'all, man. And shout out to the chat, man. Best chat in the freaking Discord industry for sure.
Absolutely,
No,
absolutely.
go,
We appreciate
y'all.
you, Davey.
Hell
Thanks,
yeah.
man. All right,
Let's go, bro.
all right. Let's do one more. Actually, no, that was three. No, we'll do one more. Fuck it.
Yeah. Oh my God, the short is shorting. I mean, it's not that much, but it's up. Or I'm already up 13 points. Yeah, I said I was done, didn't I? 4 o'clock move here. Oh yeah, baby, 15 points. Oh yeah, there's that 4 o'clock move. Break of 99. Now if this can break 80 next. Oh shit, this 4 o'clock move has been fucking money every time. All right, I'm gonna trail these last two. I'm gonna let it do whatever. All right, we gotta do another number. We gotta do the giveaway. Next number 227.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh shoot, is anybody in the short? I got one runner running. Said break of 99, either break of 32 or break of 99. I got one runner running. That
Badge
4 o'clock setup has been golden.
badge 0072. I mean, I guess
Badge.
I guess if a white was
Why?
that makes sense. I mean, at Home Depot.
I was thinking it was going to be a Jose or a Juan, honestly, for a second. It could have been one of them white Mexicans.
I feel like they're already highlighted, and so they wouldn't do that. Does that make sense? They got ice to worry about. I don't think they're doing.
They got
that shit.
they
I
got
could
to
be
buy their
wrong.
crack,
Maybe
or
that's just
they got to do their
being-
meth, man, somehow, right?
Just being nice. I don't know.
It's Brandon. What was that? There was that one skit on Saturday Night Live when the white news reporters versus the black news reporters, and they're like, a man was caught shoplifting at the store, and he was black, and they're like, ah, yeah, okay. And the next one, a man shoots up a store, and he was a white, and they're like, ah, like I love that skit, it's so freaking hilarious. That was so freaking. They were going, oh man, when it wasn't one of the, or when it was one of theirs. Anybody watch Saturday Night Live?
All right, this guy doesn't want to come up, so let's go to the next person.
Just caught some Hispanics for $2K worth of shit. Think they got him with ice. They got him with ice too.
Yeah, hit with ice too. They got the double combo.
Got hit with ice. You got the triple whammy right there. All right, next number.
And deported.
Yeah, he got a free plane ticket home. You know, some are trying to like get deported on purpose because it's a
I
free,
saw a funny
free
video of
ticket
this
home.
guy. He was Hispanic and he was just traveling to Mexico, and ICE was there, and he was like, "Would I be able to get to Mexico quicker through you guys, or instead of just traveling?" Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. They were like, so I just walk by ICE and be like, hola, hola, hola. They're like, come get me, take me home, please, for free. I'll be back later. I'll be back in 2 months. 91's the next number. 91's the next number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mick or M. Chesley.
No, they're not. J Love, do you believe they're actually going to give them the 1K? That's like the fishing lore, right? You go in, you throw and then you bring them in, and then they're going to be like, where the fuck is my food? And it was a plastic piece of bait. It wasn't real. They're not gonna give you that shit.
Self deportation free ticket $1,000.
Oh, for real? You
I don't
know
really
that
know.
people have
I could
done it?
definitely see them being like, "Fuck you! You broke the law. You're not getting shit."
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. He knows people. Like, I'll take the 1K. I'll be back in a couple weeks. Take
You
a
know
little
people that
month
have done it.
vacation.
Was it successful? They got the $1,000. It's a great job. I'm just going to keep rotating, coming illegally $1,000, coming illegally $1,000, coming illegally $1,000. Just keep going in and out. My son went to
Exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Maryland. They took it. Not saying they aren't coming back.
Dude, like, I
It's a
think
long trip
Logan
for
hack money.
$1,000.
They'll come back for like a quarter of it. That's like a good return. Leave, get the 1,000, get 200 to come back, do it again. But they might have you on the system by then, unless you know Chewy, who gets you new papers. Then you go from being Jose to Chepe, and then from Chepe to Carlos, and then Juan.
All right. This person didn't want to come up, so skipping indicator. We're
Another
going to give away
one.
an account now. Well, let's see who wins.
70. What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I don't know what I did.
JBWH do not have the MOT tag. Next.
All right, next number. 42.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2.
They
Fredo.
bounce right off those levels at 65.
Fredo.
That was a nice short, though.
Why
Ooh.
don't you say the person's name? Whose name?
Whose name? We pick number. We have random number generator, and then we count, and then we say the name.
How do I get on
You
here?
guy's an idiot.
Camera's on, Fredo.
Kidding.
Fuck. How does this work?
Yeah, Alfredo. There should be a camera button. It has a little camera on it. If you're on your phone, usually on the top right.
Yeah.
Could vary.
Is that working?
Ooh, are we gonna go to push up now?
Around.
Over 33.
Hold on. All right, here we go. Keep my camera covered. Is it working?
Nope. It's very blurry. Do you have a camera cover so that Siri can't see you?
Yeah, I got to keep the prying eyes out, you know.
That's right. Yeah. Gotta make sure that AI don't come and get you.
Yeah.
Fredo, how's your trading going?
Struggling, but I'm getting close. I'm trying to figure out how to pass these evals real quick, and then
I heard the word quick. That might be the problem.
yeah, I've been working on this forever, and it's just like I'm losing my patience.
Is your door pan to the right? Is your door taped on? Go to the right. Other way.
No, my room's really messy.
Right. Okay.
He's in the bunker.
How long you been trading for?
I've been trading off and on since '99.
99?
Yeah, I started out trading stocks, and they hit me with a 25,000 pattern day trading rule, so I had to go to Forex, and I traded Forex for a long time. This was like before YouTube and everything, so I had to figure things out on my own. That's, YouTube and Discord has been a blessing, really.
Right. What props do you trade with right now?
Apex and Forex. Oh, was the funded futures, or no, funded futures. FFF.
Okay, cool. Well, you're going to get another FFF account. All right, man? Do not rush the process. Do not rush the process. Do not rush to pass the accounts. Take it slow. Take it steady. You've been doing this for almost as long as I've been alive, right? Stop rushing it. I think now it's a safe bet to say that you can slow it down, follow the process, take it slow, pass your account with rules, get to your funded phase with rules, and then you're good. You're chilling. All right.
Awesome.
Yep.
Thanks, guys.
Wait, what do you do for a living now?
Gig work.
Gate work?
Gig
Yeah,
work, like you DoorDash, Instacart, all that fun stuff.
Yeah, I was in the pizza business for 30 years, and then
Oh,
gig work, and then now just trying to trade full time.
Where do you live?
Myrtle
Just the
Beach.
general area. By the beach?
North Carolina.
Beach.
North Carolina.
Myrtle.
Gotcha. Okay. All right, cool, man. We'll open up a sport ticket. We'll take care of you and give you a FFF account. All right, man?
All right. Thanks a lot.
All right, brother.
Don't be mean. That's so messed up. What the? Trust me. If you thought I was mean there, I didn't say anything mean. My thoughts were fucked
You saw
up.
nothing.
My thoughts were fucked up. I was not mean. Don't you ever fucking. If you think that was mean,
You want to know what I thought? I feel like that guy was on a run from something. He's hiding from something. That was what I was thinking. This guy is running from something, hiding from something.
okay.
I don't know what, but something.
Bro looks like you make me uncomfortable to be alone in the room with. Okay. Gotcha. Yeah, I don't know. I just saw a quick glimpse of the room, told me a little bit about his lifestyle. I was like, you're probably on a watch list.
Yeah, I got that feel a little bit.
Or he's just a chill dude. He's just a chill bro.
He might
It's
be.
either one or the other. It's either he's fucking, you be careful, or he's a chill dude. One or the other. It's like fucking
One or the other.
opposite spectrums. Or yeah, he was just stoned and he's just a fucking, yeah. All right, guys. Easy trading today. I called out 2 easy trades, made it bag on the pros. I don't really got much else to say. Javi and I are going to do a couples photo shoot tomorrow, where we one holds the other. So we'll get that out
I've
to
been
you
waiting
guys
for
too.
it.
So we may or may not be available for the power hour. No, we're not going to be available for the power hour. I don't really know what I'm supposed to say about that and the whole, you know what I mean? I don't know.
Me neither.
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know. With that being said, Javi, what do you got?
Guys, go follow our socials, X, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. Go tip the staff. Go book a session. Go sign up for the course. Do whatever you guys want to do, right? I got to get out of here, so enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you guys either tomorrow or Friday or Thursday. I don't know. Peace out, everyone. It was a fun day. Fun week.
Hey, everybody. Aniki,
Bye-bye.
your thing.
Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, love, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, that's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. From the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, turned in my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting to trip. Took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little chip, running shit, turned into a chip. We in and out quick. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white kind, that's how we on blind. New father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet.
And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt, but you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Corner shift, trip, on and doing ship, trip, and I did it again. Corner ship, on and doing ship, trip. We in and out quick. Am I you the mindset, do a quick 5 thing.